when your dog has to go potty outside and they come and tell you, "What do you want, Snickers?" "Oh, what do you want?" "You have to go potty? You go potty outside?" "Tell me what you want." She's so funny. No, that's cute. Everybody has to admit that's cute. Psst. Oh, she's mad because I'm taking her picture and she has to go potty. She doesn't want me to do this. Snickers? Ooh, she's really mad. She's never done that to me. Do you want me to take you potty outside? You have to go for a walk? I've never seen her be so mad at me before. That's funny. Well, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Say happy Valentine's Day in doggy talk. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. From my family to your family. Bye.